This one's a striper. A pretty good little striper right here. Okay. I'm out here at Freeport right now. I'm gonna be doing some striper fishing. I was going for salmon this morning. Seems to be slow everywhere, so I don't know. I might be done for salmon for the season. I'll probably give it like one or two more trips, see if I luck out on anything. But I decided, you know what? I think it's time to switch it up and go for striper and sturgeon, target some other species, because man, the salmon is getting kind of boring when you're not catching nothing. So I'm like, you know what? I'm just gonna switch over, target some other species. I'm out here right now at Freeport, like I said. I'm about to cast out a live mudsucker. I'm gonna try and catch striper candy and use that for bait. So that's the mission after this. Got my sturgeon rig out here. It's a Lamiglass fucking surf rod and Daiwa BG 6500. So I got that rigged up. About to hook up this mudsucker. I got one mudsucker, so I'm gonna try and catch a striper candy after this and see what's good. So I only got one. It's like 250 each. So this one's nice and strong. And here we go. I'm gonna put them on one hook right here. It's a live bait hook right here, so they don't slip off. So I got one. Cast this guy out. Hopefully we get a striper, man. It's been a while. I used to fish here all the time back in the day. Me and my brother, we used to catch some pretty big stripers here, but it's been quite a while. So hopefully we can catch something. Man, I can't tell if my thing is messed up. Shit. I was like, oh, I knew it. I knew something was wrong. I knew something was wrong, man. I was like, something ain't feel right. I was like, watch this motherfucker swim off of my leader. Gotta watch out for those dudes. Okay, there you go. I was like, why is my shit feeling hella weird? It's kind of hot out right now, but I'm pretty sure it'll be a really nice evening once the sun goes down a little bit. All right, cool. We got one mudsucker. Try not to lose this guy. All right, here we go. Cast this guy out. Oh yeah, let me stand on this rock for more stability. There you go. I haven't used my 11-footer in a minute. The guy's like, what the fuck is this guy fishing? Just gonna have to wait and see. Just gonna have to wait and see, man. Set him a little pole stander, a little stander. So, all right, guys. Oh shit. Oh shit, was that a bite already? Did y'all see that? Damn, I don't know. Yeah, I don't think so. I was gonna be like, already? I know my luck ain't that good. All right, guys, I'm gonna rig up and try and catch striper candy. So right now, I'll just use a mudsucker for now. There you go. Hopefully this one feels like a pike minnow. Might be a striper. Oh yeah, striper. I was like, man, I want your mama, not you. But I gotta filter out probably like 40 of those before I get one. It's fine though. I'm telling you, it's like once you get one, man, they just like freaking start biting left and right. Cause they like school up. Oh dang, that was, y'all see that? Alright, let's try again. That was a good ass bite. He's pretty fun. I like to just fuck around sometimes and just catch little stripers just for fun. Cause they can bite pretty aggressive. There you go, one's taking it right now. Oh, there you go. Let's go. Small one. So feisty. Oh, feisty little guy. Come on, man. Let me get a monster pike minnow. So I'm telling you, once you catch like one, they'll start like gang of them. All right, let's see if we get another one. I feel it. I've already taken it. No, wait, never mind. Oh, he was on there. Let's try again. It's always fun catching the little ones, you know, just for fun. Oh, dang. This little guy freaking bit acting hard. Come on, man. I wanna. Let me get a monster, bro. Let me get a fucking 20-pounder and I'll get. Oh, dang. That was a good bite, dude. I'm telling you, when you put on that magic thread, guys, dude, it hella works. Just a little tip out there if you're ever gonna use chicken liver. It's not just for catfish, guys. You catch a lot of stripers, pike minnows. So, man, dude. This one's a striper. A pretty good little striper right here. Guys are pretty fucking fun on this little light tackle. All right, go, buddy. Go, man. I'm trying to get a pike minnow. But these little stripers are fun though. I'll take some entertainment than none. There's a bunch of guys over there fishing salmon right now. So I brought my salmon rod out too, so I'm trying to catch a pike minnow, throw them on the big rod, and then maybe do some salmon casting as the sun set. I am sad though, man. I was doing so well with salmon this year, but shit's been pretty slow lately, man. Everybody's struggling. Well, we just had a bite. Oh, dang, dude. Dude, that was a fucking good ass bite, guys. Damn. Shit's so much fun. Alright, here we go. I'm gonna get him this time. There we go. Oh, dang. Come on, pike minnow. Nah, this one's striper. You can tell. You can always tell because of how feisty they are. It's like the stripers, they're really nice looking little stripers though, man. They're like really slim. Maybe I'll throw some top water later. I don't know. We'll see. Finally got a split tail, guys. Kind of swallowed my freaking my bait, so I don't know if he's gonna stay alive for that long. So So got him on one hook for now. I don't know, he's probably not gonna make it. See, kind of felt it. Hopefully he stays alive. He swallowed my hook, so gotta revive him a little bit. Gotta let him revive. I got him on one hook, so hopefully he'll stay alive. Well, you know, here in Sac they call it striper candy. So hopefully there's some big stripers out there. There's a big striper out there, it'll bite it, but we'll see. All right, that's this guy out right now. Hopefully he stays alive, man. He's kind of like weak. He swallowed my hook, so I'm hoping he stays alive while he's down there. I got him on one hook right now. I would do a 2-hook rig, but I kind of like the 1 hook for now. So all right, we're gonna cast this bad boy out there. Hopefully there's a giant striper down there, so get in position. All right, there we go. So I'm gonna toss a big bell on it. I'm gonna see if I can catch any more bait. Meantime, I'll throw a bell on there, and I'll keep you guys updated if we get any monstrous striper bite. So he's still pretty strong. Still alive, my bait. So that's good. Go throw him back out there. I hope he just sit and wait, man. Come on, big striper, where you at? A couple years ago, man, me and my brother, probably like 10 years ago, me and my friends, my brother, we used to catch huge striper right here. And hadn't really fished striper a lot in the past couple of years. Haven't really done a lot of striper fishing, but if you're gonna catch the big ones, if I were to do it, this is how I would do it, guys. Like how I'm doing it now. Live pike minnow. Fucking usually I'll have it on 2 hooks though, but I'm too lazy to to rig it on 2. I like how it swims freely because I got a live bait hook anyways, so it's not that bad. Oh damn, look at all this fry right here. It's getting chased. Y'all see that? There's like bass chasing the school of fry right here. That is pretty awesome. It's my favorite time of the day right here. See all the little shad or minnow or whatever the hell's jumping in the water. I always wonder what those little fish were. Any of you guys know what it is? Still a lot of people fishing salmon over there. Getting dark now, guys. No bite yet. Recasted out my bait, still alive, so give it like 15-20 more minutes. So as you guys can see, I didn't get any bites, so it's time to head out right now. Kind of sad because my bait was like perfect. It was still alive. So man, if there was a big mama striper out there, damn, that was like the perfect bait. But it's all good. Maybe next time.